Well, welcome back to Biz Finance, and we'll talk a little bit about getting started, just to make sure everybody kind of has a good idea of where to go. You had that first quiz, and it showed up here in the calendar, and as you see, you'll have assignments and a couple quizzes due this week on the 20th, and I hope that I have all these set up to show up in the calendar. Please, check in the content, because there's potentially times when I would not, right? And we're in week 2 now, so if we just click on week 2, okay, let's give you guys an idea. PowerPoints, I post those, and you're welcome to go through those. They might help you a little bit on the quiz. If you opened it, it'd take you 10 minutes to go through it. It might well answer some of the questions on the quiz and prevent you from having to sort through the book, but that's completely up to you. Okay. Now we're getting into the quizzes. You guys should be familiar with that. It looks like most people did those without any problems, so you guys can open those quizzes. You get both Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. Reminder that those are open book. Okay, I think there might be a 2-hour time limit set on those, but basically you can open the quiz and open your book, and that's what it's designed for. Then there's the assignments. Okay, and what you need to do with the assignments, there's an assignment here where it says Excel spreadsheet. Okay, and there is no assignment for Chapter 2, just the quiz for Chapter 2. But there's an assignment here for the Chapter 3 on the Excel spreadsheet. So you'd open that, and what you'd want to do there is go ahead and download that. Okay? And that brings up the Excel spreadsheet. Okay? I'm trying to get all of these set up in the Excel spreadsheet. I think I'm through about Chapter 6. If you're working way ahead, you might want to let me know if you get past that. If you get past that, you'll see it'll open up. It'll be a Word doc that'll just open up to problems in the book. Okay, so it gives you this here. Open up the book, please, and go to the problems at the end. These are identical. I've only changed the numbers. Okay, I did that. I just wanted to change the numbers. Less chance of people, sharing answers from before or something like that. Not that students would do that. Okay. You'll note that down here, you can click through each of the problems, and these are all the problems that are due. Okay. Tells you what it is. The fact that it's in Excel means I want you to complete that then down here. Okay, in all your Excel space that you have down here. So do the problem and do it down here. You'll note that I have videos that should give you background. What I've done in the videos actually is done a problem that's very, very similar to this that's posted. You should be able to watch the video, have this open, without too many problems, and complete these in Excel. It's required that you do it in Excel, and then you'll resubmit it. And I'll show you where the videos are as well. Okay, but you'll need to do all of these problems. One request that I would make, that I would absolutely like you to do, in this case, I think there should be just one answer. So you're going to get to an answer. Let's say it's 12,000. It's not, but let's just say it is. Okay. And so that's your answer. If you want to come up here, click that, or if you like other colors, you can click another color. Okay, on the finished answer, that would make my job a lot easier finding that answer. Then when I'm going through and correcting them, I wouldn't have to look through stuff and try to pick it out. If there's 2 answers, you could go ahead and highlight both of those. That would be wonderful. For everybody that does that, I would certainly appreciate it. Okay. So again, in this case, what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions that you would do. Okay. Then you want to save those like to your thumb drive or your Z drive or someplace. And then you would come here where it says assignment. That little thing there means that it's a Dropbox. So you'd open that. Probably just click on it to open it. And where it says add attachments, you'd click on that and you'd find it on your thumb drive or your Z drive or whatever, and then just add that right there, and that's all you have to do then. There's probably a spot in here that says submit or something. There might be for you guys. Might be a little different than mine. Okay, that should do that for the assignments. You're going to have those for every chapter forthcoming. Like I said, they'll all be in Excel. Now, if you come down here, here's the links. Okay, these are all videos, and you can open those. You can click here and open it in a new tab, maybe. Yeah, it just says video, I'm sorry. So you have to click it here. It's going to open it in a new tab. The volume isn't coming through real well on a lot of these, so you have to crank it up maybe. Again, I pretty much show you, how to set them up. Be thorough. If there's any advice that I can give you on the front edge, it's to be very thorough about those when you're setting them up. Okay, show all the steps. One thing about it, if I see where you've got the steps set up, there too, it's easy for me to see if you made a simple mistake. A lot of times transposition errors and those types of things, where I'm more than willing to give a little benefit of the doubt and maybe not deduct a full point, for example. If somebody's just made a transposition error, they've written it down wrong, something to that effect. So there you have it. That gives you an idea. That's going to be weekly. Okay. You can see here I've got them, and there's going to be assignments every week. We get about midway week 7 or so, and then we get into some more serious stuff. And then I'll probably later today or tomorrow I'll also start talking about Project 1. So that's it for today. Good luck on those assignments, and I look forward to, no, I don't look forward to correcting them. That's a pain in the rear end, but I'll do it anyhow. So thanks. Have a good day.